Okay. So what it will do, whenever you call this bound function, okay, that time only this function is going to be executed. Okay, unless and until we won't call this function, it won't be executed. So suppose what I will do, I will create one function, okay, say hi. Okay, return. Okay, so we have a person object. Okay, for this it contains, okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to call the bind method on my function on my function, right? Say hi dot, correct, bind of, right, person. So here what it will do, it won't call our say hi function. So it just return us some bounded function. Okay, with the, okay, for say hi, it binds the this to this person object. Okay, so now whenever we call this function, right, that time say hi will be executed, okay, with the context of this context of with the person. So what you will get? You will get the return type as a hi
Raghavan.
name, right?
Yeah.
Raghavan. Like this you will get.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose if we have a, okay, suppose if we have a parameters, right, for this function. So we can pass parameters with a comma separated list of arguments. Pass this welcome to the world as a message to the, as a argument to the say hi, and it will be bind to this message parameter.
Okay.
Okay, understood it?
Yeah.
So you can ask, like, when we have to go for bind, right? So when we have to go, so whenever you don't want to any function, then you can go for the bind method. Okay, always whenever you are going to call this bounded function, right, what it will do, always this behavior binds to the person object only.
Okay.
Correct, wherever it runs, right? Yeah, it doesn't bother about your global context or within the function or anywhere. So yeah, it is easy to bind this context, okay, before execution of the function, right? Okay. Sometimes okay, in events, okay, you want to bind this behavior. Okay, so in that case, you have to go for this. Okay, this bind function.
Okay. Hello.
Okay. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, can you repeat the last statement? I couldn't hear.
Sure, sure. So yeah, what I'm saying, okay, in sometimes while performing the events, okay, we don't know what context we have to be run, correct, inside of the event. Okay, but we want to bind the function to a particular object. Okay, in that case, we can bind, okay, that function with that object. So whenever it will execute, it will always use that same binded object only. Okay. Okay, we can say bind preserves the context of this for future execution. Correct?
Yeah.
So we'll see the example. Okay, I will take this calculate tax only, right? So now I will take var person 5 is equal to first name Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to call
X.
okay calculate tax dot bind of person 5 I'm going to pass, correct? So
Yeah.
next I'm going to pass some salary 30,000. So this country is UK. Okay, now if we execute this, right?
Mm.
Okay, did we get the value of tax? No, right?
Mm.
Since our function didn't execute, right? So, okay, so now whenever we are going to call this, right, then only it will execute. Okay, so where tax 5 is equal to bind function. Now console.log of tax 5. Correct? If we refresh it, we'll get the tax of 30,000, 10% of it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, clear, right?
Yes.
So here, I just want to show something. Okay, here we called this F1 by using the Okay, otherwise, so if you see, for calculate tax, what we bounded the some person objects, right? Global this inside of this calculate tax, right?
Yes.
Okay, what I will do, const, I think it was where, okay, company name is assume. Okay, so if I want to access this company name, we can access directly, or I just want to show you how we can access this global this, right?
Yes.
Okay, global this dot company name. Okay, you can see that.
Okay.
Got it, right?
Mm.
Yeah. So our next concept is arrow functions. Okay, arrow functions, right? Arrow functions were introduced in ECMAScript 6.
Okay.
Okay, this is a ES6 feature, we can say. So next, it provides the alternative way to write a shorter syntax compared to the function expression. Okay, we can write the function expressions by using the arrow functions. Okay, an arrow function can't be used as a constructor. Okay, arrow functions can't be used as a constructor. Okay, next. In arrow functions, okay, this are super or lexical. Okay, it means whenever the arrow function will call, right? Okay, what it will do? It will always use the enclosing scope, okay, where the arrow function was defined. Okay, enclosing scope of the arrow function it will take for this context.
Okay.
Okay, next we will see the syntax, right? Okay, arrow functions are starts with the, okay, it contains a fat arrow. We call it as a fat arrow, this one. Okay, for the fat arrow, okay, it contains the list of parameters, okay, prior to the fat arrow, like this, and after the fat arrow, it contains the function body.
Okay.
Okay, here it contains the parameters. Okay, next. So if we have one statement and that returns, right, from the function, we can ignore the parenthesis or this curly braces for body of the function. Right, param2, param3, etc. So if we want to have one statement that returns the expression, correct, some expression. So in that case, what we can do, we can ignore this return expression. Just we can write like this. Okay, it will be equivalent to the above one. Okay.
Okay.
So, and also parentheses are optional whenever we have
Hello.
yes.
Hello. Oh, yeah. Okay. Parentheses are optional.
Yeah, just a minute.
Okay. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
So yes, I'm back. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So whenever we have a single parameter, okay, the parentheses are optional. Okay, like you have a set of statements. Okay, I mean to say we can define like single para. Sorry, set of statements. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. A function with no parameters, okay, we can return with a pair of parentheses like this.
Okay.
Okay. One condition we have to follow: no line break after the arrow function and parameters.
Okay.
Okay. I mean to say, we should not write like this. It won't work.
Okay. Okay. Oh, got it.
You will get a syntax error. Okay. So we can write like this. No issue. Okay. But between the parenthesis and your arrow, there should not be a line breaks. Okay, line breaks inside of your parameters can be written. Okay, but mostly we won't write. Okay, so next we'll create some arrow functions. Okay, let me save this as a Okay. Now, mm,
Hello. Hello. Sir, can you hear me? Hello. Sir, are you there? Hello. 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 Hello.
hi, Nicholas. Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes.
So, yeah, I created a say hi function,
Okay.
correct?
Yeah.
As a arrow function, correct?
Yeah.
So, name I am passing, say hi. So, if I didn't pass the, okay, let me pass one value, right? Raghavan. So, console.log of say hi. Okay, now if I go to our, okay, we can see that value, right? Hi, Raghavan. Now, if I won't pass any name, I just want to give it as a guest. Okay, what this feature? We call it as
Parameter.
default parameters, right?
Yes.
Okay, we are seeing hi guest, correct?
Yes.
Okay, next. So we have only one parameter, right?
Yes.
And also we have only one statement. Okay, let me keep this. Say hi, single, correct? I don't know whether this will work or not. I didn't try. Let me try.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Hi, Monica. Sorry. Hi, Nikhila. If you want to use the
Sir, your voice is breaking.
okay, next. Okay, now
No, it's okay.
whenever you have a single parameter, maintain the parenthesis. Okay, otherwise it will be optional. Okay, if we have a multiple parameters, how we'll write? Okay, say hello, right, is equal to just name comma message, right, console.log. Just I'm writing multiple statements. Okay, return. Okay, name plus message. Correct? So if we call this function, what it will do, it is going to be executed at say hello. Correct. We can see the value, right? Very good morning. Okay. Now what happens to this behavior, right? Okay. Now let me create one function with having this behavior. So let constant, okay, f1 is equal to, right, this. Understood? Can we do like this?
Yes.
Okay, what it returns? What it returns?
This.
Okay, this returns. But what this
Yeah.
contains whenever we call F1?
Window.
Window object, right?
Yeah.
So that's cool. So now what I will do, I will put person, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, under this name, comma, F1 prop. I will say F1 function prop, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now person dot F1 function prop, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, now what it is going to return?
Window.
Window object, right?
Yes.
So you understood?
Yeah.
So the F1 function was created.
Hello. 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 Sir, can you hear me? Hello. Hello, sir. I can't hear you. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, sir.
Okay. So what I have done, right? Up to where you were there.
Um, till the
70,
this one 18th line,
18.
we ran the program. Yeah,
Okay.
and the output was again window.
Again window,
And
right? So
yeah,
yeah.
and
So suppose, yeah.
hello. Oh, sure, it's gone.
Okay. So suppose if we are going to call and apply our bind methods, how this arrow function will behave, right? Okay, what I tried here, I passed the person object to call F1 method by using the call method, correct?
Yeah.
So just let call method. So if we refresh it, what happens? We got the same object, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So always it has the enclosing scope of the where we have created the function, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Next, where with bounded f1 dot bind of person. Okay, bound fnc.
Hello. Sir, I lost you again. Hello.
Okay, I'm trying to create get name property with a function.
Okay.
Okay, what it will do, it return me the just this dot name, right?
Yeah.
Okay, arrow function. Now I will return this, correct? Now you have to tell me what should be this behavior for normal function and for this arrow function. Suppose if I call student dot get name, right? And student dot arrow function, correct? Okay, what is this binds to which object in case of get name, in case of arrow function, what it will bind?
This binds to
Okay, there is
get name. Hello.
okay for get name. Yeah, go ahead.
No. For get name, I think we are calling this function. We are returning the name. For arrow function, we are getting window.
Okay, so for get name, this will bind as a student object, correct?
Yes.
Okay, for arrow function, it will be window object. Why?
Yes.
We have created this outer scope of this is the
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear.
So I don't know. Today net is giving problem. So when we have to go for the arrow function, when we have to go for the normal function, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to go to the normal function, arrow function in most of the cases. Okay.
Okay.
So, but if we are going to use the function as a method, right?
Mm.
Okay, function as a method is nothing but inside an object if we are trying to use, correct?
Yeah.
So it is always advisable to use the normal function inside of an object method.
Okay.
Okay, apart from other places, we can go for the arrow functions. Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is all about arrow functions. Now we have to go to the next concept. Okay, we have sets and maps.
Sets and maps. Okay.
Mm.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah. So are you available tomorrow?
Yes, yes, I'm available. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hi, Nikhila. So yeah, tomorrow and day after tomorrow you are available, right?
Tomorrow I'm available. Day after tomorrow I'm not available.
Okay, fine. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue then.
Okay.
Okay, so tomorrow, if possible, I will take 2 hours. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So we'll try to complete some of the concepts. Okay, you can practice anyway. You have some time left. So
Yes.
are you practicing?
Yeah, I'm practicing.
Okay, good. Okay then, we'll meet tomorrow.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Thank you.